Hello, property managers and landlords. Maintenance issues are among the most common interactions you'll have with tenants, from leaky taps to broken appliances and everything in between. How you manage these requests plays a major role in tenant satisfaction, operational efficiency, and legal compliance. That's why a well-structured property maintenance request form is not just helpful, it's essential. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create an effective and streamlined maintenance request form that enhances your workflow, minimizes delays, and boosts your professionalism. 1. Collecting essential tenant details. Begin by capturing the tenant's full name, contact number, email ID, and unit or flat number. This ensures your team can identify the request source quickly and accurately. Clearly labeling this section as tenant information makes it easy to find and fill out. Placing it at the top of the form ensures that the most vital identification details are immediately visible, setting the stage for efficient resolution. 2. Capturing date and time for tracking. Recording when a request is made is critical for tracking service timelines. Every maintenance request form should include fields for both the date and time of submission. For digital forms, these can be auto-generated. For paper formats, provide clear spaces for tenants to write them. Accurate timestamps are useful for prioritizing urgent issues and proving prompt action in the event of audits or disputes. 3. Providing space for detailed problem description. Encourage tenants to explain the issue in their own words. Ask them to describe what went wrong, when it began, and whether the condition is deteriorating. Use prompts like, "Please describe the issue in detail," to draw out useful information. This minimizes the need for clarification calls and enables maintenance teams to show up fully prepared, reducing repair time and improving first-time fix rates. For enabling photo uploads for visual clarity. Photos add immense value in maintenance reporting. Digital forms should allow tenants to upload images of the issue, be it a leaking pipe or damaged wall. Even if your form is paper-based, prompt tenants to email supporting photos. Visuals speed up assessment, help assign the right technician, and provide a documented trail of property issues, improving both communication and record-keeping. 5. Requesting tenant availability for entry. Scheduling can be a hassle if tenants aren't available. Include a section where they can specify preferred entry times or indicate whether they grant permission for access in their absence. This ensures legal compliance where notice is required and prevents delays caused by scheduling conflicts. Being respectful of tenant availability contributes to better cooperation and faster resolutions. 6. Categorizing the problem by type and urgency. To prioritize and assign requests efficiently, provide options to categorize the issue, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, pest control, etc., and set a priority level such as routine, urgent, or emergency. Use checkboxes or drop-down menus in digital forms to minimize confusion and standardize inputs. This small step greatly improves how your team responds and allocates resources. 7. Clarifying emergency definitions. Avoid misuse of emergency resources by defining what qualifies as an emergency. Include a brief note outlining examples like gas leaks, water bursts, or electrical hazards. Clarify that all non-emergency issues will be addressed in sequence. This educates tenants while protecting your team from being overwhelmed with non-urgent matters during critical situations. 8. Securing consent and authorization. Every maintenance form should conclude with a consent section. Include a statement that authorizes the property manager or their contractors to access the unit for repairs. Whether it's a physical signature or a digital checkbox, this legal authorization safeguards your actions and ensures compliance with tenant rights and privacy laws. 9. Designating a section for office use. Reserve space for internal notes with a "for office use only" section. Use this area to document when a request was received, who it was assigned to, repair timelines, technician names, and materials used. This structured documentation improves maintenance tracking, supports budget management, and provides a clear history for every property. 10. Making the form easily accessible. Your form is only useful if tenants can actually use it. Provide multiple channels, printed copies, email attachments, website access, or integration within a property management app. Digital forms should be mobile-friendly to allow submissions on the go. Also, includes simple instructions on how to complete and submit the form, ensuring fewer errors and faster turnaround. Bonus tip: embrace automation for efficient management. While a well-designed form is crucial, automation elevates your maintenance management system. Property management platforms now allow you to build customized forms that trigger automatic workflows, assigning requests, sending notifications, and maintaining communication logs. Automation not only reduces administrative overhead, but also improves tenant satisfaction with timely updates and transparent resolution timelines. Partner with SANGAU for professional maintenance handling. At SANGAU, we specialize in professional property management in Bengaluru with a strong emphasis on maintenance excellence. Our streamlined systems ensure timely issue resolution, complete maintenance documentation, and digital form solutions that are both tenant-friendly and manager-efficient. Whether you manage one flat or an entire residential block, our structured approach ensures everything is logged, tracked, and resolved systematically. Looking to simplify maintenance management while improving tenant satisfaction? Contact SANGAU today to experience effortless property upkeep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more property management insights from SANGAU. Stay informed and stay efficient.